everyone, my name is Akasha, and in today's video I'm going to be trying to make the double chocolatey chip frappuccino. If you guys don't know, I just tried it recently. I'm going to say like a month or a month and a half ago. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Is this better? Okay, I don't know. I just recently tried the double chocolatey chip frap like a month or a month and a half ago or 2 months ago, and since I've had it so many times that I just feel like maybe it's time for me to start making it at home and saving some money. So I already have all the things out. I'll show you guys the account that I got the recipe from. The account that I got the recipe from is right here. And I'm gonna be using that recipe. I saw it on Instagram and then I was like, I need to try this out. So here's what I have. You're gonna need 2 cups of ice. Here's just a bunch. I haven't measured it out yet, but here's some ice. You're gonna need the chocolate syrup. I'm using this one. You're gonna need chocolate chips. Of course, whip. And I'm using dairy-free, guys, because I'm highly lactose intolerant and I'm starting to learn my lesson with having milk. So I'm using almond milk. And let's just go ahead and get started. I also bought these espresso chips, but I'm not gonna use them for this video. I might try some just because kind of curious. Ooh, it smells like coffee. I don't think I'm gonna use them for my drink. That's actually pretty good. Maybe I should throw some in there. So I'm using this like Ninja blender. So let's just put everything in here. I'm gonna need to use my measuring cup. Give me 1 sec. So we need 2 cups of, since we need 2 cups of ice, I'm gonna go ahead and measure out. So that's 1. I'm just gonna pour that in here. I'm gonna go ahead and put some more. This is my 2nd cup. That literally filled up the whole thing. Maybe I should have used a different one. Where the hell? So I literally just bought these measuring spoons yesterday. I don't know how to measure anything, so I literally don't know how to measure. So I bought these measuring spoons and I'm gonna show you guys me trying to make it basically. And we need 2 tablespoons of syrup. I feel like I need a second camera to record like a bird's eye view of what I'm doing. Just kind of washed it off. That's 1. That's 2. I just realized you guys can't even see, so I filled this up twice and I poured it in. We also want to put in 1 tablespoon sugar. We need 1 tablespoon sugar. I feel like this is kind of a chaotic video. It really is. This is flour. I just picked up flour. 1 tablespoon sugar. Oh, my measuring cup was right here the whole time. What, you can eat it?
No, half.
Half it?
I just have chocolate.
Half cup chocolate chips. Let's get it in there. It's not gonna fit.
It's not gonna fit.
Maybe I should have used a different one. Some of the syrup didn't go in. Okay. And now I'm just gonna mix it up. I just realized I never added the milk. So we're gonna do that now. So it's gonna be a 1/2 cup milk. There's chocolate in this thing too. I think it's done. it just doesn't look right. I think it needs some more milk. Okay guys, that doesn't even look right, but I'm just gonna have to go with it. That was the recipe. Maybe it's because I didn't use whole milk, but who knows? Who knows what the issue was? I don't know how she does this in the video, but like it goes like that or something, and like it's supposed to look cool. Okay. It's like spilling everywhere, guys. If I show you guys. This is the wire to my mic. So it looks really watery. Maybe it's because of the almond milk. What's going on? That doesn't sound right either. Wow. It looks cute now. It looks real cute now. Okay, well, the last thing to do here is just stick a straw in it. And I don't even, ooh, look at it, it's watering. It tastes like it is it, except there's way too much syrup. Which might be my fault, maybe not. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I'm sorry that it was such a fail. I'm sure if you guys try it, maybe it'll work, but it didn't work for me. I will try again soon without almond milk, probably whole milk. I'm probably gonna, because I'm lactose intolerant and that's what happens when I have milk. But maybe I'll try it just to see, you know, if it works, because this is just not it. Like, this ain't it, you know? So yeah, thank you so much. Goodbye.